Okay guys, so first off on XRP's weekly time frame, we are starting to see the breakout that was actually anticipated here on the channel. I mean, I spoke about this in the last 2 videos or so, I believe, here on this channel. So yeah, it is happening. As you can see, XRP is breaking beyond this downward resistance line, which basically held the price down since, what was it, since September basically, and we are finally breaking past this trend line. So yeah, this is the first sign of a potential legit breakout here that is ongoing for XRP. And typically the beginning phases of a breakout are not very explosive, but eventually you tend to see these large green candles after a while. So hopefully we're going to see this. But yeah, the early signs of a breakout and a shift in trend, a shift in momentum are clearly visible on the chart. So for now, patience is the name of the game. The first technical price target that I'm aiming for is actually around $3.40 for XRP, and that area could provide huge resistance once again, but we're still far off from that price. So we are just at the beginning stage of this potential breakout that is right now unfolding for XRP. Furthermore, since basically 2017, XRP's price has repeatedly been rejected in the $2 zone, and you can see that every major cycle rally for XRP basically stalled at this exact level. So yeah, this is one of the most, if not the most important long-term resistance area for XRP in its entire price history, because basically 5 yearly rejections here with the candles. Yes, we wicked above $2 several times here with yearly candles, but you can clearly see that we actually never really managed to close a yearly candle above the $2 range. So that is basically the area that I'm currently eyeing. And if XRP really breaks above $2 with a few weekly candles or so, then that could trigger a significant long-term rally to the upside. I'm gonna talk about the price targets very soon in another video, but yeah, the $2 range is definitely the critical area right now to watch closely for XRP. Another important thing to watch is basically the XRP to gold ratio, because yes, metals surged significantly in the past few weeks, past few months, and many people are wondering whether this liquidity is going to flow into the crypto market, and that's why it's important to watch the XRP gold ratio, and that is exactly what I did here on this chart. And what is important to focus on down below is the RSI indicator, which is currently oversold here, and the last few times that XRP was this oversold on its weekly RSI versus gold, we saw significant rallies. So this basically means that XRP is currently very cheap versus gold, and you can see in the past that yeah, that led to significant upside for XRP versus gold, and of course versus the dollar as well. But gold is basically hard money, so it's always important to look at this chart as well. But right now is a very promising and interesting buy zone according to this chart. And by the way guys, if you are looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital Sure Trade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, depending on your investment portfolio. This trading system saves traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading, because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. Back to the video. Furthermore guys, it's always important to look at what whales are actually doing. XRP whales, basically you want to follow the smart money, not the dump money. And here we can basically see that XRP mega whales, so wallets with at least 1 billion XRP in it, and you can see that they have added significant amounts of XRP in the past 24 hours alone. $3.6 billion worth of XRP here, which is actually very significant guys. So you want to follow the smart money, not the dump money. Smart money is still accumulating, as I told you in the past few weeks, and they're not doing that to end up in a loss. So pay very, very close attention to this.